The purpose of planning is to ensure that all children enjoy a broad and balanced curriculum. They should help to promote good progress and outcomes by children. Planning, therefore, keeps you accountable for children's attainment, progress, and outcomes. In the following case study, you will learn about the planning cycle for the Early Years Learning Framework. It describes the process that early childhood educators should follow in planning, documenting, responding to, and supporting children's learning. We will then examine how to adapt this approach to being able to effectively plan for technology integration in early childhood education. The Early Years Learning Framework planning cycle consists of five key aspects. Each represents a significant phase in planning in early childhood education. Observation is to do with the process of gathering information, while assessing or analyzing is about questioning what learning and development is taking place to make meaning of what has been observed. Planning involves the next steps to continue supporting and learning development, while implementing is about putting the plan into action. After that, there is reflecting, which is to do with evaluating the effectiveness of the plan.